Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today I want to talk. Nifty opened almost flat with a slightly negative bias, but the way the market was crashing, this is a very severe crash after a long time. And we can say it's a capitulation period. And all is done only by one group, which is ADANI. So ADANI stocks started falling continuously. Some stocks fell 10%, 20%, 25% also, and it was too volatile. And ADANI port fell 25%, then again shot up, then again fell. It was going all over the places. And most importantly, ADANI Enterprise. Why ADANI Enterprise is very important? Because they have announced the public issue now. Follow-on public issue, and it is priced at 3,276 at the upper end of the price band, but when the price fell below that and there was a continuous fall, it came up to close to 2,700, and its high is 4,200 last month, and from there it has come to this level. And now the big question, so what is going to be the fate of the FPO? When it is trading around 2,700, 2,800 in secondary market, who will subscribe to the issue at 3,100 or 3,200? So nobody is going to subscribe. So that's why when I check the subscription figure, it's very pathetic. But yesterday there was a news that said, anchor investor portion is subscribed by 150%. So the anchor investor was 6,000 crore, but it subscribed about 9,000 crore. So I do not know how far this news is correct. I just remember a joke. Once in Singapore when I was a teacher, there was a small stone bench, and the students as a activity asked to stand. How many students can stand on this small bench? Right? And there were about 20 people stand, and some more were trying. The teacher was encouraging them. They said, last batch, 30 people stand. Now you are only 20 people. Then I asked the teacher, where was the last batch 30 people? It was only 18 people last batch. He said, no Sundar, just tell a lie so that the people will be encouraged to do more. So I don't know why I remember this joke. So I do not know whether the data that yesterday thing. So if FIIs, and of course that anchor investor book is also subscribed by the local institutions, but mostly foreign institutions. So if they have subscribed, and then why they did not support the price today when it has fallen nearly 10, 15, 20% from that level. So the things are clearly in panic. Very simple. ADANI group is too big to fail. So because the kind of debt they have with so many banks, so the collateral damage will be seen in the banking, not only in the banking, in the entire economy. So this is very unfortunate thing to happen, and especially Indian markets are decoupling from the global markets in the 2023. So 2023, I don't think that any market is in red so far in any of the country, but we are significantly down. And FIIs today also, they've sold close to 6,000 crores. So they've already sold about 24,000 crore in the month of January. So with this 6,000 crore, it's about 30,000 crore in just less than a month, and the FII selling is so severe. So I always wonder, what these FIIs know that something we do not know. But now, this Hindenburg, these people have made a killing. And today, somebody tweeted, yesterday I told you how people can short the bond, this and that. So probably they take a short position in bond. ADANI group bonds are being traded in US, so those people are selling the bond. And today all the bond prices crashed by 5% to 20%. So the only happy person in this planet is this Hindenburg people. So they have shorted heavily, they are making huge profit, but this is not something, I am not in favor of any group, or I am not against any group, okay, but market is rising or falling in a gradual manner is okay. But this kind of fall in just 2 trading sessions, look, Bank Nifty has fallen 2,500 points. And PSU Bank Index, and luckily today FMCG, Pharma and auto stock, particularly auto stocks like Bajaj Auto, Tata Motors, they all like shot up 6%, 7%. And if they had also fallen, then the pain would have been much more. So the pain for our market is going to be here, and we do not know what will be the fate of this ADANI IPO or FPO, and it will be a most unfortunate thing, and the IVs are spiking up, and India VIX has shot up nearly 18%, and 6,300, 16,300, which is the lowest strike price trading, that is also trading around 5 rupees, 6 rupees for weekly expiry. For monthly expiry is trading around 20 rupees, I think 25 rupees, something like that. So clearly the fear is very, very, very high now, and this fear is justified. If this happens to some other group, is okay, but Adani group is, we can say, is a too big group to fail. And I do not know how come the local institutions are, they could not control the damage. So the damage is really very, very severe. So we have to wait for another 2 or 3 days, who knows. So budget may change things. But this Adani group is a most unfortunate thing that can happen to Indian stock markets in 2023. So let us see tomorrow what happens, but global markets are okay, and this is only India specific. And in fact, FIIs are net sellers to about 30,000 crore only in India. I don't think that they are seller in any other market. So definitely they see something that we cannot see. So only the time will have to tell. So what is it? So right now, I would advise you to keep away from market, and that is the best thing you can do. And so the things are really looking very, very bad. So yesterday we know that SAB has released a circular, and they said about 90% of the 89% of the traders lose money. So when this kind of thing happens, I don't know, the buyers may be making money, but again, it depends whether you bought a put option or call option. So things are really getting very ugly, and 17,760 was the huge support, and multiple times that took support. When that broken, the hell broke and the markets fell continuously. But markets are going to be very, very volatile. So the best trade is no trade for next few days until this Adani issue and budget and Fed meeting all over. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.